Alright, what now?
Put the steering box on. What I originally started before I had to help out.
Alright, well.
Project.
Need me to lift it up there for you? What's the glove all about?
Well, because that bar's gonna lay on the fucking thing, there's no column in it.
Oh, I can throw the column in.
Okay, well, is that gonna turn into me doing this one, you know, because otherwise it might go away.
Unbelievable.
Sure. Oh, well, he just, you know, after this normal, he just seemed motivated. So I thought, maybe he's done now. He wants to relax. Well, let me guess, you're gonna work right here? I do the steering box, you need to be out. I think the column goes inside, sir. No, don't do it. Oh, dang. You need me to push this out for you? I don't want your feet to be. And I know you need room.
Well, I want to get it all.
You want me to get the pizza pan out? Well, we could move it just halfway. Oh, then you don't have to dry half of it. Since you didn't dry any of it.
Well, I don't want Angel to have to dry it again.
Okay, well, she don't have to. You could dry it. Well, I got that problem solved. I probably left it neutral.
Want to go in a second?
You did something? Yeah. Oh, God, you gotta get all the way in? Oh, man. There you go. All right. Let's get out of there. Shut the door. Don't catch it on the bumper on the way out.
You see how airtight this thing is?
It is. Oh, man. You know how tight it is.
That's because the brakes, for some reason.
Oh, I fell over the cliff.
Headlight popped out.
What?
I would need to get that on video when that happens.
Right.
I don't even believe that. Headlight pops out.
Right.
This is a custom feature.
Right.
It is custom. I don't even remember how this goes together.
What?
Got a pizza pan.
Right. That's the steering wheel. Come on.
Was this column all the way bottomed out in that clamp?
Oh, sure. Let's settle down for a minute. You know, I got my job, you got yours. Let's just try to conquer.
Oh, I can't get in here and do this.
All them dongles.
The seat is the problem. I need like a mattress to sit down on top of it.
Mattress. Wow.
And then we got.
See a lot of work getting done there. Oh, yeah, I fell asleep. It's this mattress's fault.
Easiest for me to get in there.
Angela likes it when I wear my hat like this. Hey, push the column up a little bit so I can tighten it.
Man, that's fucking hard to do.
Okay, well. Oh, you already did. Okay, that's all the way in.
Right?
And right there.
Yeah.
Clearance everywhere.
Back towards me. Other way. Easy. A little more, a little more, a little more. Right there. Somewhere. Just real bit close. Oh, back up just the other way. Other way. Let's make sure these are tight. That one's tight. Back up a little more. Right there. Go the other way. A little more. Whoa. All right. Go back the other way. Yeah, go back the other way. Right there's probably pretty good. It's pretty close to where it was. And tighten that shit up in there and you're good to go.
I just put the ground wire on.
I I didn't this time. It didn't fall on the place.
I don't see how I had room for my turn signal.
Well, you can always hold on to them.
Just put toggle switches on the dash.
That would be awesome. Can you just use one? That's like three-way, the
Right.
center's on?
Yeah. That's my plan.
I got a question too.
No boy, here we go. More problems. What's your question, sir?
Why don't we weld? Oh, I know why.
Why what? Why did we weld what?
Nothing.
Let's hear it.
That hole's for the
Gas pedal?
throttle. Does that have a thing on it though?
What?
Because we just took the.
What?
Oh, that's right. We were gonna go through the floor with the oil lines and stuff.
Right.
Forgot about that. That's gonna be tasty.
That's another one of your ideas.
Well, fuck, at least it's not on the firewall, is it?
Well, it's not anywhere at the moment.
So you can mount that gauge out here,
Right.
and then you can put a mirror in the back of the alternator so you can see it.
Right. Can't see it in the camera. Anyway, there's my brake pedal. Just discovered it's already been modified as I was thinking about modifying it myself. Custom. Don't want it. Just that's tasty. That's a treat for everyone to enjoy. Yes.
Make them hold down a little longer.
Sorry.
Keep going. Oh, keep going. There you go. Man. No, don't do anything. We gotta come. You gotta have to go to the other side and drag the jack forward.
My other side do what?
Just slide the wheel forward. Jack. Oh, this way.
Oh,
Towards the front. Yeah. There you go. Let's get ready. I can get the converter in. Let me spin it. Put it up in there. Or we can just take a little break.
I don't remember.
Yeah.
Anyway, this is where we ended up. Motor's in, transmission's in. Everything is going perfectly according to plan.
Usual.
The fan belt I bought was the wrong size. Even though I measured carefully. And our custom little clamshell thing for the coil wire hits the distributor. So, other than that, everything's going great. Steering, alternator bracket, radiator,
Headlights.
headlights, stuff like that.
You're gonna leave that one spot. Just touch up like that.
The motor?
Just
Yeah, as soon as the motor gets hot a couple times, it'll just get dirty and blend in with the rest.
If not, we'll go buy some cream paint.
Right.
And touch it up again.
Yep, that's the plan.
Spray them both at the same time.
Right. Well, I'm gonna stop recording. Oh, because the low battery thing was a plan. I'm probably gonna hit the steering wheel. Guess not.
I thought it was that pin. You were going to change that pin, remember?
Yeah, to a different style quick release.
Right.
Which I don't even know where the pin is anyway.
In your hitch.
Alright.
In the trailer, bitch. I mean, can we get a better, right here, sir?
There she is.
Oh, man. You going with the fur interior?
Yeah.
Put this up here. On the dash. You want this pin before you lose it?
I need to do something about that.
Do something about what?
This.
What, you can't reach it? You want to put it back here? Maybe we could bring it down here.
I need to angle it up a little more.
What if we put it on the shifter?
Then I need to bend. Yeah. I need to bend the old.
Oh, I think we need to come up with a better clamp than that thing.
That's what they have.
How come you didn't paint the thing?
I don't know.
Forgot to paint the clamp.
I know.
Oh, that's goodness gracious.
Next time.
What if we have those clamps on the side of the frame? We won't be able to get them on now.
What?
They don't. What do they have in there? The fuel lines.
Oh yeah.
Do you even use those?
The turn signals? Yeah. All the time. Let's see how close it is to the door.
That's what I was wondering.
I won't hear the universal joints knocking over my steering wheel.
Right.
You know, race cars. What? Yep, it's working. I lost the pin already. Oh. Meep meep.
You're putting a bug horn in here?
Well, I guess that's a wrap on this steering wheel install. Oh, we got one more issue we have to deal with.
What?
The old brake pedal hitting the steering column situation.
It does?
Yeah, remember?
I thought it didn't, you said. I thought you were moving the pad around it.
This goes right in line with it. Boom! Bing bong! Brrr. Get the column out of the way, I can't stop. It doesn't hit, but it sure is close. Like if the brakes bled down any, it would hit. It stops just before it. I can't tell. I'm just gonna have to grind some off the top of the.
Well, we can adjust that rod.
Well, the brakes start working like right away. There's no play in the pedal.
Well, maybe we just need to adjust the fronts and the rears too.
Right. Yeah, that's crazy. I can't tell. I guess we could bleed one of the brakes to see if when it goes down if it clears it or not. Because it looks like it's like paper amount of room where it might go by it.
Right. We only need that new pedal or something.
There's nowhere to put it. You're not putting hanging pedals in here with the steering column right there. Unless I buy a $700 Whatamahuchi. That's how much those things are.
Yeah.
There's a chain inside there. Awfully cramped in here. Need a smaller steering wheel. My knees!